Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll see how to get a try-on for FacelessClip AI. For that, first you need to go to the FacelessClip.ai website. Then you need to register on this website. If you go to price, you'll see there's a 1-day free trial. So we'll click on start free trial. Then what we'll do is we'll sign up. Okay, so I clicked on sign up, and here I'll put my name. I'll put my email. Then I'll put my password. Okay. Then I'll just complete the I am not a robot reCAPTCHA. Then I'll click on create account. So after clicking create account, I'll see account created successfully. Now I will log into my account. I will log into my account. Entered email, entered password, then recap. So after signing in, you'll see that you'll be signed in here. It will come back to the home page. From here, just what you'll do is click on your name in the corner and then click on dashboard. After clicking dashboard, you'll see my product. If you go to my product, you will see that there are no products. Click on browse premium store. Click on that. Then when you come back to the home page, the first software on the home page is Face AI. That's the first one. Since FacelessClip has two. So today we'll learn how to get a trial for the FacelessClip AI. So I'll click here. I'll click on pricing. Then I'll click on start free trial again. While logged in, of course, we signed up first. Then we signed up and logged in. Now I'll click on start free trial. You'll see the one, it will ask for your name, mobile number and address. So I'll enter my mobile number. I'll enter my country. I'll enter my address. Then I'll click on I agree with terms and conditions. Now I'll click on activate 1-day free. When I do that, you'll see that your trial is activated successfully. Check your email for the license. My trial has been activated. You can check your email, or if I check my email, you'll see that my license has been clearly provided or you can come here to the FacelessClip dashboard, and after coming to the dashboard, you'll see in my product, you'll see that FacelessClip video creator will already appear in the my premium app section, and it will say trial. So we'll click on access app. When you click on access app, you'll see your license key. Then your email is already there. So if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the FacelessClip AI product software. So click on that and download it. It will download with just a click. After that, you'll install it. See, I clicked it. See, the download has started. So since the download has started, after it's done, double click to install the software. I'm showing you. Oh, it's downloaded now. So I'll right click on it and then we'll right click and then I'll right click on it and then double click. I have the .exe software. If you see something like this, because it's new software, it will ask if you're sure about it. No problem. Just click run anyway because the software is already registered. Look, it's registered in the USA as a publisher. So click run anyway. Clicking run anyway will bring this up. So right click like this. Click next and install the software. This is professional software. So there's no need to worry. Because if you scan the .exe file you downloaded on the Total Virus website, you'll see that it doesn't have any viruses or other harmfuls. So I'll click Run Faceless Clip. After that, it will open. When it opens, it will ask you to provide a license. Okay, see, it will ask you for a license. If you see update available before entering the license, meaning a new version update is out, then update it. Click update and update it. You should always use in the updated version, problems from previous versions are fixed. So if an update comes, update it automatically. It's updating. It's updating. So as you can see, it has been updated. You must click register. Clicking register will open the software again. After clicking register, the software will install again. Once it's installed and the software opens nicely, you'll need to enter your email and your trial license key. You can. Then you'll click finish. Since it's set to run, the software will run now. Here it is, it's on my screen. So now you'll see there are no updates, it's up to date. I will provide the email. I'll enter the email and then the license key. So what's my license key? I clicked paste. I clicked it. So it has opened. Since it's open, the first step, we've been using this before. That's why these have a P. For you, these will be blank. Everything will be blank. Everything will be blank. So now what will happen is I must add the Oxy API key from settings. Why am I saying Oxy? Because Oxy is your unified API platform. And unified means it will give you one API. Through its API key, you can use Gemini API, meaning Gemini API, then 11 Lab API, then your voices, your image. For images, you can use Nano Banana Pro, everything. And if you don't want to use this, there's no problem. There's a system to add OpenAI API separately. Grok's API, Grok will be needed for There's also 11 Lab, and for images, Replicate, Runway, and Gemini are available. Then there's Media API, Pixel API is definitely, and there's Hunch Plus. So these things are already done separately. So after you add the Oxy API, you can just add the Pixel Hunch Plus API, this. Let me tell you which models you can use. If you go to new project, you'll see 4 models. Among these 4 models, for free stock to photo and videos, you'll definitely need a Pixel API. You'll also need a Hunch Plus API. And if you add an Oxy API, you'll see that Gemini is available here. Gemini is in the Oxy API here. Next is your Scribe V2, which is for 11 Labs. Then if you go to next, you'll see that 11 Lab is already available for voice in Oxy. Then in the image model, you'll see that Nano Banana Pro is already there. So you'll find these things in Oxy. And if you do it separately, if you have Gemini and 11 Lab, adding these two will allow you to use pretty much everything. Pixel is for stock footage. Since you've taken a trial for the Oxy API, one day you wouldn't want to buy all of that with money. So a trial means you'll test it. You'll check if everything is working correctly. For that, you'll need to add the Oxy API, So what you'll do is just go to the Oxy API. After going there, you'll register for the Oxy API. In the Oxy API, if you go to pricing, you'll see they have a free system that gives you 10,000 credits. Now with 10,000 credits, you probably won't be able to make a lot. But for testing, you can make small videos and test them. until the 10,000, because their system is that credits will be deducted differently for each model. For example, what's deducted for 1 million tokens of Claude won't be deducted for 1 million. It will be a bit less. And for Nano Banana Pro 2, which is the latest, the credits deducted might be 100, and for just Nano Banana it won't deduct. So with 10,000 credits you might be able to make a maximum of 2 or 3 minute video, or maybe a bit more. So for just testing this is enough. So I'll click on start. So I'm going to a private tab now. In a private tab, so what we'll do is we'll create a new one, meaning we'll register again. For choose plan, I'll select free, and for the name, I'll enter my name. For the email, I'll use my existing email, and for the password, I'll enter my password. Then I'll click on create new account. So for my account, what I'll do is a verification code will be sent to my email. So taking this code, I'll take this code and add it here. I'll click on verify. I've landed on my dashboard and received 10,000 free credits here. So I'll just click on API key. I'll create an API key, any API key. I'll just use the software's name to get you can use any name. After creating it, you'll just come here and click save. So after clicking save, you'll just click test once. To check if everything is active, you'll just click test and you'll see. So here it's enough if Gemini, 11 Lab and Nano Banana Pro are active. Everything doesn't need to be active. All of them will be tested together. It will take a little time. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. So you see everything is pretty much checked off. So what we'll do is you'll register. Make sure to register because you have to register after adding the API. So I opened it again. After opening, I went to a new. After that, if you want to check free stock footage again, you'll add the Pixels API with also how to use which faceless clip, how to get the API. Everything is already provided in. You can watch those videos. So I went to a new project. After that, I went to free stock and you can add a script of your own. So I named it test 1. Everything is already selected. I'll always set this to 2.5. So here I am. I clicked it. So I selected the voice here for my voice, and this is for my subtitle. I clicked OK. So it's happening here. Next, I'll convert the image to video. For image to video, I'll use my existing demo here. I named this test 2. Then standard is generally good. An image will appear within 5 to 10 seconds. If you want to make a longer video, then showing an image within 10. If you choose cinematic, many images will be generated, which will take more time and so this is important. Always select standard. If you want to add stock videos, you can keep this option, but it's not necessary. I added the background music here. Then I added the overlay. The overlay videos and background music videos are covered in our how to use them. I clicked next. Now we have many designs here showing which pattern and visual your content will have. So what I'll do is water. I chose this watercolor style. Then I clicked next. I confirmed. So I submitted both. It's already done. You see, it took 1 minute. So, but it will take some time because it will generate images and maintain character consistency. Everything will be maintained. It will take some time. So let's click watch and see. Okay. What did I select? Oh, sorry. This is the Unsplash API. Unsplash is for images. All the images. So if I give stock footage again, you can enable that. If you want to mix stock footage and stock images, you can do that. So I gave stock for this. Then I named it test 3. I gave it, and you can also give Amazon products if you want. For Amazon products, I gave a smartwatch. Let's do it with one product. Amazon test is 2. Let's do it with one product, test for Amazon. In this case, you can do it for free if your Grow API is added. And here it's parallel. Okay, fine. I selected convert product image. No need for auto generate. Auto generate won't stop. It will generate. You already have video. So I'm just giving it for testing. I clicked. I gave it. Oh, sorry. Actually, in the trial, you have a maximum limit of 3 projects. The trial has been reached. You can check 3 projects in the trial. So it has already reached 3. Yes, it's already generating character portraits. So let these 3 finish. We'll see what happens with these 3. Look, this one is done. Let's see. Yes, it's perfectly done with character consistency and everything, and it's already running. It's done beautifully with character consistency and everything, and it's already running. This is another one. Which one was this? Okay, this is the one with stop footage. So this will be done. How long did it take? Almost. See, your 1-minute video took 6 minutes. The main reason for this is that each image request, including the reference image, goes in nanoseconds and then downloads. So image to video will also take a little time. The others won't take time. This is done. It was done within. So this is, and in this case, the footage won't be 100% accurate because it will pull from free pixels. So when you search with all types of keywords on free pixels, not all types, that's why it won't be 100% accurate. Only. So keep that in mind. And now if I check my Oxy API credit, okay, there are still about 6,008. That means we can make a good amount of videos with 10,000 credits. So thank you. Goodbye. Everyone, please use the try. Thank you.